Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech, and welcome yourselves back to a different video today. I have purchased an item on eBay that I won. It was an auction for £52. This item specifically brings back a lot of memories for myself. The item in question is in fact a Game Boy Advance SP, standard silver edition. My first ever Game Boy Advance SP was actually tribal. I don't know what's happened to it, I don't know where it is. Quite frankly, I think I threw it out. That was a more younger, naive Joey. I bought this item because I actually thought it might make me relive a little part of my childhood that I truly miss. So let's get her open. I'm gonna start with the front pocket. I don't think, yeah, there is nothing in here. So this has been opened before, and the reason being is because I was live streaming and I thought to myself, I'm gonna open it now. I couldn't contain my excitement. However, this is the first time I'm sharing it with you guys. Again, this was £52 plus shipping. I think it was about £55 in total, which is roughly about $70, I think. Here she is. This is the main attraction, the Game Boy Advance SP. And it's in good condition, I would say. There are a few scratches. Let's get zoomed in, shall we? There are a few scratches on the top. In a better light, you're probably gonna be able to see it. See them? The top of it is not too bad at all. The L and the R are more than clickable. The side is all good. The volume works fine, I will show you guys in a second, but the slider, there's no issues with that at all. And then the bottom is just a little bit scratched. See that way? If any of you out there are actually interested in the model, it's an AGS 001 2002 model. I don't really know what I'm looking at, and this is why I'm so excited, because this is the first time I'm ever going to be working with a Game Boy Advance SP. I've got some plans with this. I've got some big plans. Here's the opening of the console. I thought I just want to share this with you guys. It's nothing special. This video isn't really anything special. It's more so just to show off a nice little purchase that I've got. But again, the screen, I don't think is in bad condition. There's not that many scratches. The buttons, everything is clickable. The sound works fine. The volume works fine. Nothing is in like horrifically bad condition. There is one thing that I want to show you guys. Let me see if I can show you now. So I'm going to bend the screen back a little bit. That's okay. We'll just leave it as it is. Right. When I click the power on button, you can see it works fine. Turn it off. Didn't make any sound because the sound was muted. Let me do it again. You see that? Right. It is on. Down here. But it's not actually come on. So it is a little bit faulty. See, I've done it again. I've turned it off, turned it on, nothing. If I do it with a little bit of force, it turns on. So there is something actually wrong with this Game Boy. I mean, I can turn it on when I want to, so it's not horrifically bad. But I believe, I spoke to Kangaroozy in Twitch chat when I unboxed this to have a look, and I believe it's just because there may be a little bit of rust or something with the on button, and it should be a simple fix, but that's what's going to be out in Friday's video. I'm going to see if I can repair that and give this overall a good clean. So it's going to be like a bit of a restoration of this. I'm going to take it out, clean all the button contacts, and it's going to be the first time I've ever opened up a Game Boy Advance SP. On to the next stuff. Do you want me to show you something? This is top secret, this part. This part is really top secret. The games that it came with, you ready? In the comments, I want you to rate out of 10 the games and what kind of order you would rate them at how good they are, okay? So the first game we have is Noddy. Then we have The Incredibles, Mario Kart Super Circuit, Lego Star Wars. Actually, let me put that up there like that. So the seller did give me a charger as well, which is amazing. Game Boy Advance SP power supply, so I'm assuming it's all legit. And then we have the game of all games, Super Mario Land. Look at it. Look how happy he is. I don't know, again, that's the inside of the cartridge. I do want to get this taken off, but you can see there's a little bit of grime and stuff down here. So I'm assuming, I don't know if this is the original, but again, £52 for all of this isn't a bad steal in my opinion. The last game we have is the one, the only, Pokemon Blue. Again, same thing, sticker is a little bit worn away at the top. And we also have the needles down here. They look fine. The needles, I've just called them needles, the pins. The back, I want to get into it. It's a little bit of rust on the back of that. But yeah, it looks good condition. The sticker's only a little bit worn, but that seems to be about it with this one. Apparently I need to check the battery save on this to make sure that to see if it's been tampered with. Side note, I've never completed Pokemon. Let me know what your thoughts are on that in the comments. And just to show you guys that actually it does work, let me move all these games over to the side. Now let's get this thing turned on. I'd like to say, unlike some people, aka Elliot from the Retro Future, I'm actually okay at games. You're about to see. I don't want to talk about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's a bit different. It's literally an unboxing of what I bought from eBay for £52, around about $70 including the shipping price. Just to round it all up, Star Wars 2, the original trilogy, Lego, Noddy, Finding Nemo with the Incredibles. We've got a Game Boy Advance SP charger, a Game Boy Advance SP that works, Pokemon Blue, hopefully the original, as well as Super Mario Land, hopefully the original, and Mario Kart Super Circuit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this type of video, please let me know in the comment section below. Friday is going to be a great vid, trying to get into this and fixing the little power on, power off button, as well as taking it apart and giving it a good clean. Thank you guys so much. Have a great week, smash it, and I'll catch you in the video on Friday. Peace.